Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Adrian Siscabin. Vision. CPSC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 of RA 7923, the college shall provide professional, technical and special instructions for special purposes and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies and progressive leadership in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Quality and policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher education, technical instruction, research, extension, and production services to meet the increasing stakeholders' requirements through continual improvement in its quality management system. To achieve this, CPSC shall 1. Deliver quality services to stakeholders. 2. Adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professionals and ethical standards. 3. Adapt changes in the educational system as required by law. 4. Forge agreements with other SU, CS, and land agencies locally and internationally. 5. Update the qualification and strengthen competencies of faculty members. 6. Improve its key processes and procedure in delivering quality instruction and relevant research, extension, and production service. 7. Pursue continual improvement on quality management system as higher learning institution and partner in sustainable development. Institute of Arts and Sciences. Objective AYAS to provide excellent instruction, trainings, and scholarly activities in various fields of liberal arts and sciences. To strengthen competencies among faculty in instructions, research, creative works, and community involvement. To develop critical and creative thinking skills, ethical conduct, values consciousness, and appreciation for culture and arts to pursuit of excellence. To conduct quality research and extension services that are relevant and responsive to the needs of the community. To establish linkages with other agencies, non-governmental organizations, and industries for the partnership and employment opportunities from various stakeholders for mutual sharing of resources.